Kaka chamo say sa papa na yefrene Kisia Jaben as OSP no or the waste resources so Ghana aban and Ghana maimu since ya inya Ghana yenya ne wo yamamu mu di otu oyo no emfaso bi ani so ono onim di oyo nene NDC for na tie gu ne so NDC for na omo bose say MPP amanyo ku mpanyfo abokro no nti Mohammed ba me aba abechi omo no omo nyina tie gu ne so ade nti omo se papa no wadi ntro ache dada so obechi amanfo ohwa no abe press conference nuanom ye koso media no na no edene pa ene Lord Stowell I no ye adwuma wo power FM na okasa di tie na Nando Dankwa Akufo Addo aban no aba bonten a odi nsem abegu sanso na abronye so atake one case achirechire mu say actually Kisia Jaben is only sleeping in his office yenko tie nsem a enkrofo yi abusuamfo yi e de abegu abonten concerning the incompetence of Kisia Jaben yaba na yato aso
lawyer ni Entiana do baby ana I try my best not to be illegal in my conversation. But correct say Kwame say o share the entia ye chase our office now. Let me say they have caused more harm than good. Stand say so share sika aban edia ko sa office ho nko akeke se omo fam wa mayenchi omo a omu di dream project ta se kankan ya ebo oman no ekura se bi yedi ko nsu a mi metimi aka se omumom amakura na yunu achen se kura no ko nsu aba enti se yakase causing financial loss to the state. That office, since its inception, has caused more financial loss than recovering losses.
How?
And yes. So you say that being any Matiamidu, Sika Oma recover from time a year office no better. A new budget bakwa yediama one budget. On the basis of say ye kwa korisha comfort womu na omu sika emma omani sika nyuru yaje edi ama omani baka sika yedi amo omu akonhoma so omu fanye adwuma no sika o ma recover elu say sika no internet say ye koya na ye ba
so obi kura ye allegation obi tinkan ne se ompe bafa stocks yi wo nasem kura na obetuma rely on the attorney general kan ye the location of the properties no not the akanasem special prosecutor ye bisaw wo ana woni nam kroma sa kire criminal procedure e wo Ghana School of Law enyo obi ana disha wo na nam kroma sa properties na Musafa Hamid lawyers abedeo enra wo maba ababedeo say who didn't throw na babia properties bia wa special prosecutor wona asie say what seizing those properties are directly linked to Musafa Hamid no na wo susu say extortion no ye no eno no de akwasa properties no e de na si ukwan ma wo mfa sa properties ni ma mekire and Mustafa Hamid ayenya nim no watimanya kukudro through ni lawyers ababa catch you say me there wo special prosecutor say the so-called properties now wo kana e wo fa hima Ghana fo hu eno so a special prosecutor ene de wuntimi me respond ye because ultimate the 30 seconds I respond to video and on social media say an accused person say case now I will before court no you useless I'm about to respond to say what is the properties here and link it to the case here a worth over 100 million Ghana cedis. Then the accused person no I very bad I catch now say and yet just I know for fakeke and I made a casem no. When I was here say, what is the properties? Okay, say what is the properties here? River Platte now sees ya na. Ana River Amaprat now sees ya na. River Densu and now sees ya na. Aswabisi and now sees ya na. So the Honorable Mustafa Hamid in the lawyers telling you say ni o kan obwa and asema anditi fo no binum kan wo social media say wo mo hu say wo ye liar no ya nokre because why are you hiding the so-called properties ya wo si wasizi na enunti ana ade Mustafa Hamid kokot adentina wo hide Minyanti asiye. Wo hiding over properties a was easy. Wo jisika ma oman no. And also obi abokro no. When you soon position as a chief executive officer. When you some public officers. Am oman ye extortion. Ajijisika from oil marketing companies bi ho. In the name of the republic for their benefits. Na ye bisawo enanyumire no. Properties no. E wo having having there ye betima kase minu mienu e betima kase having there any location. Maybe I can say wo kwa nyame nko na betre say kwa ni having any location. E nyame nko na betima kire say having location and anyhow. And the special prosecutor catch say the so-called assets now was easy, properties now was easy, a level over 100 million any location. And yes, and they were having. Now we not be cancer, no say my dance here or having dear. Not just say net and the other cancer no we. So special prosecutor baby say nay. Would you be a court in a court? And there be a media and a seizing properties worth over 100 million Ghana cedis. Your seizing properties worth over 100 million Ghana cedis. Not ever seen nay. Ghana phone who be as our properties in the world. The Attorney General a year. Government representative in legal matters, ever seen that. So, Fred, Dr. Dominic Anyine, and now the deputy now beside say, special prosecutor say was seizing properties worth over 100 million Ghana cedis. Now, as an attorney general, uba timatire ye babia owa Dominic Anyine beka chose munko bisa kisia jabe. Dominic Anyine abeka chose say munko bisa ni student no kisi ajaben onu kwa na nimba bia properties no. Na eba ne say na wo seize properties ya. Wo hide those properties if indeed what you are saying here no kra. Ade na mo wo hide na wo magana fo hu sa properties no. Ye bisaw because Mustafa Hamid anya corrupt. Mustafa Hamid ya nim no onye corrupt person. enti wasem na wo kan nam say onye corrupt nti na oye na dwuma yie as a chief executive officer National Petroleum Authority no watima ba be challenge you say me di bra na na do danko akofo ado de ma me no me ye madwuma yie me ye madwuma yie as a chief executive officer, and for that matter no ma mokro no enti wo ka kire me se ma bokro no eniama wo se me gigi sika de to ye nyina na wo aludu those properties to me no pata magana fo hu a eno no kisi agya benti me twere ne saa keke but osi locations no o ma ye hu na me bisa kisi agya ben say ye no krata was seizing properties here in connection with the extortion case na pesa Ghana for be hu properties na pesa offer properties na kisi ajaben say who hide this properties na the so-called properties also was seized in respect of the extortion case and say who hide it there. What that means is that who person offer properties and na properties one person will be listed ama Ghana for who say extortion case na wo ye no properties ni nie eno ya one. Number two, and so ne say the antia won't mean say extortion case na wo ye no properties ni wa ha e wo ha say e ye say ana ye bank account no wo boa. You just want to make the New Patriotic Party unpopular, just to paint the New Patriotic Party black. You just want to do something. Sadia baya abainu be won say wo boa omo. And also you're number 3 no. Until you don't have a case because you have been challenged by the accused person to let Ghanaians know or see the locations of those properties. Again, it's Ukraine. Opasa ofa, and we are 1, 2, obwa, 3. Opasa uye bibi, ema abane kase. Pisi ajabin is working for us because you didn't throw neba abaimu and it's our best support to ye. Ama ye didn't throw ya kwaso, I didn't throw gu, and people for we are okay. Is that how you want to do your work as a special prosecutor? Tell Ghanaians to say, is that how you want to do your work as a special prosecutor? Let me put something just like that in the social media. Say, at the end of the day, me prove media to media no and it's a key person in nam wa yeah sikisia jaben say oh yeah extortion say you see this kind of and throw out omu yusu and nam say attorney general na ankasa or yeah the principal legal advisor no yeah propaganda media no. Or ya propaganda o media num. Enti so ya propaganda o media num dia. E be na yoko nya propaganda. E be na special prosecutor so nya propaganda. Now you have been exposed and also challenged to provide concrete evidence of what you are saying. And it has become something difficult for you to prove your own case. Ntiaye boati bidini say ye get that case ni say nyanya accused person ni dini ye nya accused person no residential address ye nya charge bi bon say extortion ye charge obi illegal money na ye wie let us build a docket and arrange the person before court ye duru one ye be kan say kisi ajabe ni strategy ba ko no say or the case na say ni basis here or say we are not opposing for bail ne brofo ye ba ko e wo court then tam bia or the useless case be court bia no odura And nam say only case papanti oduria or say my lord, we are not opposing for bail. Ne brof we back omonko court proceedings. Anytime bia kisia jabin the useless case be court no oduria or say my lord, we are not opposing for bail because oni ni e de be establish e ma kiss person ye de na call custody oni. Se wakasa tena social media kasa efisa obeye special prosecutor who catch sinyina wudi ni social media na why thank God na manfo huwa na omu dwane andi sifo na be huwa na mo ho wo so ampipifo na be huwa na me dem nka ho nti anyafo ampipifo na omu huwa na omu wo so me dem nka ho me dem out mimi hu nwane because unyo obia because cases ya wudi nyina no kra nim ento omo huwa na omo shake bo shake na omo yama sho me dem me nka ho me hu ma me yama nhyɛ babi ade e beko bia beko akofisi wo ho nti enko babia anti media trial na amayesa mo beye no oh na se NDC an audit kisi ajaben ne office sika aba office no from 2021 to date na nyame ya adom etena bi oh etena bi ye bedati ani the new patriotic party is in power. No man born of a woman and a beka say a man on the tape activities here kisia jabin beye. Nobody say NDC some people part 1 and yo say current NDC or the kisia jabin office budget yahudo from 2021 ever see 2025 we next year January na be over 5 years mu so man what the tina e kina bi oh ne ya beda sorry no na Ghana for who say NDC didn't throw ne ba power and throwing na da ne ya beda sorry no na Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia I the president of the republic here sikabia akosa office no from 2021 to date no ye be audit because kisia jabin office no onye above auditing. If say it me ya audit president office there. Who is kisia jabin say ne na council there ni books there ya audit. Oh. Ya be ye ho adwuma basa. Na ya ye no forensic audit pa ye a emu ohwam. Na duro ya be kasa asem. Enti media trial na case bia ba no do ba be gina ho. All because ya sisi adwuma man se wan ka se amfa MPP fo ho de a ene ye no ntimi nya adwuma enti ne ye de se all ye ne se kisia jabin office na nya special prosecutor office biem na mom a special persecution office. He is persecuting people or persecute and crofo ho enya prosecution office biem. Because office ya see a special prosecution office no say a special persecution office and I will persecute opposition party members because who person praise abino who person praise the new government na abano just to keep your position yeah no new problem but who didn't struggle MPP appointees ni nyina so na say at the end of the day what's happening here? We can hold you responsible. Fatu Timsa. Say Echina, you have every right to hold you responsible. Say, one sam na wokan na anu binu, wobwa, na nye no kore. Because, say ultimately tro, as a special prosecutor, Utimi ditro. Na accused person no Honorable Mustafa Hamid through the lawyers. Etimi be throw challenge. Say bring the evidence. Say what's easy access. I link to their client. Na nei wakwa kwese wuram umpie ye emma ye dia. Echina bi Honorable Mustafa Hamid ewo case tiao. The same thing apply to others. MPP gave Ato Forcing to fight throughout to the Court of Appeal. Obia nye media trial. Yamakwan Emma Stephen Opunu and Co. Wamo fight here throughout. And ne mo discontinue mo ba ye. Cases ya ban way a discontinue. Efa NDC appointees under President Mahama part 1 no $7 billion. Cases here NDC aban ba ye o ma filing non prosecute. Cases NDC aban ba ye starting from Colin Dauda and others. Segreme housing Dino over $300 million. Just one case. Financial loss. Sa cases in ye cases ya na ependie. Now o ma starting bomb kro. Ama evidence ni ye clear. Say ampa. And crofon sa sisase na o ma cha o man ni sika ye den adie. Aban ne ba ye no. O say ontimi mfa ono ni party ma enko court. O say ontimi mfa ono ni party ma nyere enko court. Enti wa instructor attorney general, the principal legal advisor of the government of Ghana, Dr. Dominic Anyini, say on filing non prosecute. Aban ni case. And ya ban any case you. Namum aban say and Crofona omo involved in all those cases, you know. Add a man involved in over $7 billion, you know. Omo ye NDC for. And the President Mahama say, on to me ma yen try ni party for ma ewo court. Enwu mani masi because send the party for mani mguasia. Party now no ye president, you know. And animo guasie and tianya under the watch as a president and over transia che am I this NDC for no yakoswa di o masem wo court na NDC anima ye dey aguase because ono nete akonwa ne so enti yamfufu to ni yamfa kosua nka ho yamfa nkate enwu nchen yamfa paya enwu ho emfa masa NDC for na now we face various offenses. Amount involved in $7 billion. Until you discontinue cases, you know. Say, muye NDC ma yemfa mun kokot mun kofi emfa mo honye dey eni. Enti chira say MPP bana say MPP still ali insist say case wo ho a esese mu hu say eye nolly prosecute no mo file yo na mom enye discharge enye acquitted. See a discharge you in a criminal case here. And fan shout him that's a worry because a china state in the this case na abo. Ye discharge you na say acquitted and can hold dia and so won't say asem gusu ye den wusire edi akire. Enti omo ba fie ni nyina no echina bi ebia na binum case egusu wo wait ya because of say anya discharge and acquitted intino and this MPP san aban foforo ebeba no esan boka from the scratch esan started building docket after investigators ebeduru na investigators na womo investigate cases no ebi kwa retire ebi kwa retirement omo tifie ebeduru wanom no na bia state no star witnesses ne e kan star witnesses no ebinum kra na binum eni ate fo asase so ebeduru wanom so no na bia sankofo we na ya discharge omo no wo ma compromise with our witnesses no but omo na so omo dogana omo na account so omo dogana but any discharge and acquitted there what it means in say avenue wo ho say etna yebet timasana range you before court but me no me and yemisa say is it good for the nation say government ever started prosecution now government B government A kofia government B beba say wenum the man party members antimin prosecute omo the man party members mintimin twa momon sofa antinima discontinue cases no anama filing not a prosecute no a filing no mukofie then 8 years you know na another government here aba na another government here aba so cases where mu discontinue you know yaba sana resurrect sa cases you know let's say yes started from afresh na sa nkrofo we nyina se binum ti ase a yes sana from what take statement free omo ho abedi another docket at the cost of the taxpayers sana Ghana for pesa yembede oman no enei obiama over $7 billion ekọ oti court say o chesi 1 million Ghana cedis $7 billion say oman Ghana ye ekọ bosia bo $7 billion ya muntie ne yie security a womba giye no security a womba giye no e kan otwe wonwi me kan security a bibia esomboa womba gina so akwese ye de bosia ne mawa ubetima tua ebina Ghana emre bia etwa mu under President John Dramani Mahama administration ye kwa akwaje bosia no wo mo ka kire ye say bosia no ye betima tua ne ntema one of the conditions in say ye betimi dia omo de ba man ye ntimi dia amonsa no nkofie nkowu ane se bosia no ye nim se mo ho akire mo ye de bosia no ba mo na mmom ansa na de ba mo ese mo gitum say bosia na ye de mam no the next 2 years e mam mfa aban adwumayefo ana aban se an ba bia duru no mehia sika no enti maje bosia no maje atum se the next 2 years Ghana mabuna ye do omko nursing training Ghana mabuna ye do omko college of education enkrofo ye do omko university enkrofo omhwe omma various field ya je atum ya je bosia no ye mfa omadwuma enti MPP aban anda na nado danko akofo ado ye beto bosom ya meto de Ye de ahosisia, ye de pressure mojashew and this anam kono ebaye. And ne because of MPP internal elections, the ebinumu ye propaganda say ye misa Bawumia ho asem. All because internal elections. Until your message is signed, no swasa. But problem now you better ye no. Now your problem kasiye because ye year fi say ni entia emrantia university graduate fie for a very long time they say. At that time no senka bana ntima nya bibi anfa nam kwa ma nka oman ye nya security threat. Yes. Oman no enya problem. That problem why they create here? That problem was created by John Dramani Mahama in his part 1 administration. And you try say you bet me. Aye bibi offer nursing training and kra nanado danko akofado inheriti and kra no ma wie nursing training. It dated back 2012 to 2016. Nanado aban. Enti aban wa sofa party awaba in the 4th Republic. No wa be kwa ho kirem eye Nanado Bawumia government. And so when you know nipa ni anso. Omo se papa no ye say, and nani nyina no and this ifo guso to social media. Obi kra de timi kase obenya. In Centrania odidi bribe didi me ama na chini na fune ne hwene anyina me wia oso obenya kanana do kra ne dinu yentwam emfam free former president for dinimu obi anu ni asem sa obekasa na momu sa nipa kra na wo ka no wo mana wa wo ma pansam nyina no wo muguso e benefit free education ananado de buy yesi panyin ni hwe kra no wo wa abache nche so buy ache niema ye betu ye bi na me kan say aban wa ba foforo now betu graduates of Maria Nursing College of Education, Nurses College, any college of education, no Maria, no Mutifie, now a bit dated back 2012 to 2016. That is a no problem. I say a bino find any possible means to recruit them. Na banaye. Ena banaye. Ye we nyina. Imagine say President Mahama eba ye. Senkananado danko Akufo-Addo amfa nurses ya no mutifie 2012 to 2016. Ana Akufo-Addo so 8 years beka ho a nkade ne besie. Bara ban bia bon ho modern atima clear. Emfie 9 nurses o mawie tifie ebi kura na 2011 wom otimi clear ansa na ye start a recruit o ma wie 2017 and so yes aban no e wo problem etiyade we are saying say mo betima ya mo media trial no yenim say anytime bia and this beba by mu bia no media trial on MPP former appointees there and this year number 1 they did that in 2009 between 2009 and 2010 almost started some media trial no where you say eko wi akire no ankosi hu and to continue with the media trial because you want to maintain your position as a special prosecutor continue with the media trial, but we are media trial now. The accused person and any other Ghanaian be our every right to say, why a media trial we are would go accused person is on any other Ghanaian be a bet ma bisa say ne kra ne say what's our bokro no modia japadia no fahin newo and ye bisawa as a special prosecutor wona one leg no as say utimi kire baabi ewo we a special prosecutor Emrane ma won kwansa obe infringe on people constitutional right. Emrane ma won kwansa say Machi GRA acting legal director tum because Obia requesting for information. I'm not releasing information no etino meditate no Obia na ma specific instructions say GRA boss, Commissioner General to report to your office to assist in investigation. Now, law being a case who special prosecutor no. So who ye investigation on a particular matter. Ghana ni any right to request for a specific information. Law being my Ghana for Mona Musia say, yet the near your best student, Ghana School of Law, yenya civil procedure, yenya criminal procedure, we got this and that, we had this, and yeah, no na yeka, ye Cornell University graduate this and that, and yeah, no na yeka. Ye Bissau say, ye Bissau simple question. Say, so we investigate about particular issue. Not how they assembly about public domain, yeah. Ghana ni be any right to say about the very institution now we investigating. No, I could be set for specific information be a fast assembly to Ghana. And when that information no is provided to that individual now, what's it any panel providing information in the man individual now? Or request information, no. Under the laws of this country, under an act of parliament, and you were appointed under an act of parliament. Osini pakrono, omrana detaining because who to me ewokroma. In other places, in other jurisdiction, special prosecutor who misbehave, attorney general amaye chiutum. Yes, go and check the records in US. Attorney General or that MAH special prosecutor too because of corruption. Go and check in the America. The Attorney General, the principal legal advisor to the government of Ghana, no, etimi or that MAH special prosecutor too because the conduct in your papa. Otimi or that say you're investigating. Go and detain him. And conduct, you know, is not different from special prosecutor. Yeah, Nancy Akra Donald Trump, actually, ni bibi kakray. But yeah, the embassy and this bibi because you are PRO for them until your PRO work, you know. Do your PR work for the NDC. Now you are a senior communicator to the NDC. So do your work. Do the media trial for the NDC. Nobody cares. So who your media trial there? Accused person so every right to ridicule you. About ridicule in every way. Any, whether the Attorney General, whether special prosecutor, whether the Yoko, any of them, some your media trial. The accused person involved in those cases now, Mabo Mudino, we also want every right to ridicule you in the public and go because you want to be anyway. Cause who your media trial? On some catch also cases in useless and bogus. You cannot take him to court to say, Enko can't judge say what describe case and say you're useless and bogus because he's innocent under the law. And to prove your case, Nakatren say you're useless. Sana judge Biana. Why is a free and fair? Judge Bia person in or ye impartial. Ewo case bia hono uko complaining man say accused person say ni case ni useless a obeka tro say ufi the case no enye useless a prove it nti ye ho adwuma yeah.
And this is the position of the OSP today. Or a waste of Ghana resources pa. Cases ya what taking in charge piano. Case ba kukurani ho up to now. What timia conclude with an evidence. This third you said that brought your car, you know. The oye nyina say he's being turned into PRO for the NDC. Yadum besia na ya sign atwa so ha Eras Media. Unyan subscribe na wa subscribe na wa follow yen so e wo Facebook nso aka ho. Now don't say adoma so YouTube Ras Media G so that be the video tuma. We're one of the first people to get notified. Makramo, until we meet again. Adios.